Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your site's backlinks with Ahrefs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start verifying your site's backlinks using Ahrefs, first, open your web browser. Go to the Ahrefs website. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. Once you log in, access the Ahrefs dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Site Explorer tool. Enter your website's URL in the input field. Click the green search button. After a moment, you'll be directed to the Site Explorer overview page. Here, you will see several metrics related to your website. Look for the Backlinks section on the left-hand menu. Click on Backlinks to see the list of all backlinks pointing to your site. In this section, you can view various details about each backlink. You'll notice columns for the referring domain, anchor text, and link type. Analyze the list to identify any potentially harmful links. You can filter backlinks by various criteria to focus on the ones that matter. To do this, use the filter options located above the backlinks list. You can sort backlinks by type, according to their quality metrics. This will help you prioritize which links to evaluate further. If you want to export the list, click on the Export button. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. This allows you to analyze your backlinks offline. Once you've reviewed your backlinks, consider next steps for optimization. Reach out to webmasters if you find any harmful backlinks. You may also want to develop strategies for building new quality links. Regularly monitoring your backlinks is essential for maintaining your site's health. This process not only helps with SEO but also improves your site's authority. Make it a habit to check your backlinks regularly for new insights. Utilize Ahrefs' other tools to further enhance your SEO strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.